baby! Come on! Yes!
Hi, my little Christians, and today we'll be playing Nico Snack's Bots. This music is getting me vibing. It's like the IKEA Friday theme. Okay, I'm gonna start. Oh. Oh! Oh! Oh. Ah, the door is closed. What do I do? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, fuck me. Oh, the map is glitchy. Watashi no Kiro Nintendo. Oh no. That was scary. Fuck. That was so scary. I'm like Morgs now. I act like Morgs. Oh! It's Quandan Dingle. Okay, so I'm gonna respawn. Yeah, we're in the bathroom. Oh! It's Quandan Dingle. Oh, this is so pushy P. This is goofy R. Oh, my fellow Christians. This is epic. Oh, fuck this music. Yeah. Come on. Let's go. Wait. Yeah, let's go. Whoa. Oh, look at my dance moves. Look. Oh, look. Okay, I'm gonna go. Okay, oh, this is new. I'm gonna go this way. Oh, I hope it's not Quandandico. Okay. Come on! Oh, this is... Oh! Okay, so I'm gonna close the door. This is kind of a scary game like IKEA. Oh, guys, what you want me to do? You want, IKEA or Nico Snacks Bots? Vote on my latest TikTok video. Okay. Oh, who is that? This ice cup. Okay. I'm gonna go to the store. This is my favorite place now. Oh shit. Quandan Dingle. Open the door. Quandan Dingle was there. Oh shit. No. Oh, Obama is right there. Okay, I'm scared. Somebody's gonna freaking attack me. Oh, fuck. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, I know it was Oh, who's this? Oh, it's an anime girl, anime emo girl. Okay, so, oh, by the way, make sure to follow my TikTok. You don't have to if you don't want. Just please follow me if you want. Okay, I'm gonna go up there. Oh no, Obama is chasing me. Obama, no. I'm going mentally insane. Oh, an emo boy. Oh, 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 oh. Obama was right there. Okay, I know you know how to fucking beatbox, okay? Okay, Obama. Okay. I'm tired of this, Obama. Watashi no ki. Come on, this Japanese girl is good. It's on my nerves. On my nerves right now. I hate her. Okay, I'm gonna go to Nico's club maybe. Oh, Japanese girl again. And the SCP-660. Okay. Okay, brother, go with me. No, you're gonna die. Oh. Oh, but this music is like pushing P right now. Is the best music of all time. I say rifle. Wait. I don't need to stream this. I say rifle. Oh. Oh yeah.